Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best packing cubes is probably one of the most transformative travel accessories you can invest in, turning chaotic suitcases into perfectly organized systems, making packing and unpacking a breeze, and ultimately enhancing your entire travel experience by saving time and reducing stress, whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional adventurer. Number 5. Lightweight 5PC packing cubes for suitcases. Say goodbye to travel stress. These large organizers make sorting and finding your belongings incredibly easy. This set includes 5 spacious cubes to keep everything in order. Keep your clothes neatly grouped and reduce rummaging. They help you separate items by day, outfit, or even family member. Arrive at your destination looking great and feeling organized. Avoid awkward moments at security or when searching for an item. Their see-through mesh tops and translucent fabric allow you to quickly find what you need. No more unpacking your entire suitcase just to grab one thing. Unpacking becomes effortless. Simply transfer them from your suitcase to a hotel drawer. They help maximize your luggage space through clever organization. Spend less time packing and more time enjoying your trip. Crafted from ultra-lightweight, flexible fabric, they add minimal bulk to your bags. This helps you avoid unexpected excess baggage fees. You can also easily redistribute weight by moving them between different bags. What we like. This set of 5 large cubes is perfect for keeping your belongings neatly sorted and easily visible. Its transparent mesh top allows for quick identification of contents without unpacking your entire bag. If you value effortless organization and want to find items quickly, this non-compression set is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful points. Number 4. Aerotrunk compression packing cubes for travel. Introducing Aerotrunk compression packing cubes. These innovative organizers help you keep your personal items neatly arranged, making packing a breeze. When you arrive, simply transfer them to hotel drawers for effortless unpacking. Maximize your luggage capacity with their unique double zipper compression design. You can gain up to 50% more space, allowing you to bring all your essentials and more on your next adventure. Say goodbye to wrinkled clothes. These cubes are designed to minimize garment creases, ensuring you look sharp and presentable throughout your vacation or business trip. Crafted from high-grade nylon twill and breathable mesh, they are built to endure countless journeys. The mesh top also allows for quick identification of contents without needing to open them. Designed to fit perfectly in most suitcases and backpacks. Whether you're using a small carry-on or a large check-in bag, there's a set configuration that's ideal for your travel needs. What we like. These compression cubes offer a clever double zipper design to significantly reduce bulk. They help you pack up to 50% more while also keeping your clothes looking fresh and wrinkle-free. If you need to maximize suitcase space and arrive with pristine outfits, these durable cubes are ideal. What people say. Number 3. BAGSMART compression packing cubes. Are you tired of struggling with overstuffed suitcases? This innovative solution helps you maximize your luggage space effortlessly. It's designed to make your travel experience smoother and more organized. These cubes feature a smart compression design, allowing you to fit more items into your bags. Simply pack your clothes, zip them up, and watch them shrink down. This means more room for souvenirs. Crafted from high-quality, lightweight materials, they won't add unnecessary weight to your luggage. Despite their light feel, they are incredibly durable, built to withstand the rigors of frequent travel. You can rely on them trip after trip. Say goodbye to messy suitcases and hello to perfectly sorted belongings. These organizers keep your clothes, accessories, and essentials neatly separated. Finding what you need has never been easier. Whether you're going on a short trip or a long adventure, they are an indispensable part of your travel gear. Choose from 2, 4, or 6 sets to perfectly match your packing needs. Get yours today and transform your packing routine. What we like. This versatile set provides excellent space-saving capabilities with its compression feature. Crafted for durability, it's designed to withstand the rigors of frequent travel. If you're looking for a reliable, lightweight solution that offers flexibility in set sizes, this option is a strong contender. What people say. Eagle Creek Packing offers durable construction for long-lasting use. The packing system helps organize items efficiently within luggage. Its lightweight design adds minimal bulk to travel gear. Number 2. Tripped Travel Gear Compression Packing Cubes. These innovative compression cubes revolutionize how you pack for your next adventure. They efficiently remove air from your clothes, making your suitcase up to 30% more spacious and organized. Keep different outfits neatly separated within them, ensuring you're always prepared for what's next. You can easily pack away clothing like raincoats or heavier jackets that aren't used as often. The extra-large cube holds a significant amount, like multiple shirts, a jacket, and pants. Even the small one can accommodate about 8 women's shirts, while the tube cube is perfect for electronics or toiletries. Use them like normal packing cubes when you need to pack more items for your trip. When packing less, simply engage the compression zipper to save even more valuable space. We offer these high-quality travel accessories at a fraction of the cost. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, we'll replace or refund you immediately. What we like. This comprehensive 7-piece set offers both expansion and compression capabilities for ultimate flexibility. It's ultralight, ensuring minimal added weight, and even includes a dedicated laundry bag. If you need a complete packing system that adapts to varying load sizes and helps separate dirty clothes, this set is perfect. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source to extract points from. The source JSON was empty, so no positive points could be selected. Number 1. Eagle Creek Packet Original Packing Cubes. Tired of messy luggage? These innovative cubes are designed to keep your belongings neat and tidy, making packing and unpacking a breeze. Crafted from durable materials, they withstand the rigors of travel. You can rely on them trip after trip to protect your essentials. Featuring rugged dual zippers, they ensure secure closure and easy access. No more struggling with flimsy fasteners. A top grab handle makes them easy to carry or pull from your bag. This thoughtful design adds to their overall utility. Transform your packing experience with these essential organizers. They help maximize space and minimize stress, so you can enjoy your journey. Not just for clothes, they're perfect for toiletries, electronics, or any small items. Their flexible design adapts to your packing needs. What we like. These original packing cubes are renowned for their exceptional durability and robust construction. Featuring rugged dual zippers and a convenient top grab handle, they are built to last and easy to maneuver. If you prioritize long-lasting quality and effortless handling for your travel organizers, this classic choice is unbeatable. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.